It was going on, everybody. So my packages came, and Apple do not play. Shout out to Apple. So I ordered the AirTag and the keychain, and they came in separate packages. So I don't know which one is which. And that's why I want to do this unboxing so you can see. Got the leather key tag. Put that box aside. And yeah, I went with the brown. I wanted the red. And it was really like it was a hard decision. I was like, the browns really come close to like an actual keychain. The red, I was like, it looks cool and all, but maybe if I had a red iPhone or something, then, yep, and the AirTag. So I guess this can be the thumbnail. So I'm gonna open up the AirTag first. And I was gonna get the 4-pack because there's a few stuff that I can use it on, but I guess I didn't peel it out there. But I said I just stick with one for now. And if then I need any more, then I'll probably just order 1 or 2. And get your little stuff you don't really need. No Apple sticker. To the side. And here you go. And I'm actually recording off my iPhone, so nothing popped up so far, I guess because I'm recording. So yeah, man, like a little button. It's cool. You know, you get is this. I already got my fingerprints on it already. Just doing a little size of the keychain. So okay, so it doesn't open up all the way. I thought it would open up completely, but it doesn't. All right, make sure. So yeah, it's cool, man. Put this on my keychain, and most likely I'll be using this for my backpack when I go places. So let me know if you ordered an AirTag. Are you going to order one? Are you going to get the 4-pack? Are you going to get the leather keychain? brown, red, or blue? Are you going to get the air loop? Or are you going to go all out and get the Hermes, which I can't afford? But so let me know what y'all think. Just post your comments down below. Like and subscribe. And until the next time, see y'all later. Let me set the options. Okay, so right now I'm just going to use it for my keys.